workload or that you must wait in line? It will take about 6 months for us to get to your consignment and test it. Is there any paperwork that reflects that all of that was done?
In some instances, yes, commissioners.
In this specific case?
But no, predominantly it is inquiries that was made telephonically and then entries made in the SAP5, in the investigation diary.
Thank you, Commissioner.
Commissioners, what I can perhaps also add to my statement here, in this matter specifically, due to the proper manner in which the investigation was conducted, the evidence collected in this case was lawfully transmitted to the United Kingdom upon their request, obviously by means of a mutual legal assistance application, and the UK authorities managed to prosecute an individual in the United Kingdom and obtained a conviction on the matter relating to the facts of this narcotics. So it's just proof of the transnational nature of these offences.
General, let me apologize to you and Advocate Sello. My questions related to the Port Shepstone drugs, but in your further response, it seems like you were talking about what is in paragraph 5 of your supplementary statement. So my questions were aimed at the Port Shepstone drugs that went missing. So sorry if I was not very clear.
Perhaps, General, at least for the sake of tomorrow's readers, so that there is no confusion of the transcript, the question Commissioner Khumalo had posed was presumably any request to the FSL would be in writing. That was the first. And I think you confirmed that it is expected to be in writing and recorded somewhere, and where the FSL is not in a position to store the drugs from a recent seizure because of lack of space, they would equally indicate in writing. So there is a record of the request and how the request was dealt with. Would that be correct or not necessarily?
Commissioners, I'm not 100% sure in terms of the Port Shepstone matter. I was speaking in general about my observations throughout the inquiries that I've analyzed. And there it's my observation that predominantly it's being done telephonically. So I'm not 100%